the light of God lives in you. That is what Christianity is. You are not an ordinary person. Seriously, is that it is going to or can when he was making a submission. Proverbs chapter number 22 verse number 15, he said foolishness is bound in the heart of a child, but the rod of correction shall drive it far away from him. A jimism, a chichara bofra kumaho, a bata abofra kumaho, a tenetini aba, and piaswaba, a money free home. When you mean some Christian Mama comfort you free Jimmy. You know, there is so much foolishness in the world, and foolishness now make it's not like somebody Jimmy all over. That's not what I'm talking about. The foolishness I'm talking about is the contamination and the corruption that is in this world. It is this one the Bible was talking about. Foolishness is bound in the heart of a child, but the rod of correction will take it away. In Galatians chapter 4 from verse number 1, the Bible made a submission. Listen to that. He said, I say that the hair, as long as he is a child, he is no different from a slave or a servant. Turn this into a different version. In another version, he said, but now, now to continue, the son who will receive his father's property is treated like a slave whilst he is young or nepios or a child. Even though he owns everything, will be a dear will be a dear defoe nani papa free mo na akonya to na ese de nisi ade so enso wo ye bia emfrie mienu abofra enya de entino ye pe wo bi etena akonya so ne de nasi ne sire so sa de no esia it simply means that even though the what akonya so ne ye dehye de bad enam so ye abofra nti otesa akwa. So the word, you know, that as long as you are a child, interestingly, even though you are a child of God, you have access to everything. But because you are a child, you become like a slave. You will beg for what is rightfully yours. And that is why the word comes to you, precept upon precept, line upon line, here a little, there a little. Isaiah said that, precept upon precept, line upon line, here a little, there a little. Ye badne betina when yamifia and untina assembly by yamfani na mau precope, soften okra untimin canina precope, frise unim ni na precope.